So this is the week that your assignment is due. I hope that you really got something out of this assignment. It is a great way for you to start thinking how to analyze data. As I said before, we don't sit around and pretend to say that we are the only school that does this. But what I can tell you is we hear over and over again from, quite frankly, people that hire our students that they are very impressed with the fact that we have gone over with our students in our program star reports and analyzing indexes and being able to see what that means from a competitive set standpoint. And here's our property, and then here's the other properties in our competitive set, and analyzing that thing. And so as a revenue manager, how you take that information and make a lot of decisions. Remember, revenue managers have not always been around, but now they're in very, very high demand at these properties because it's beyond that bottom line thinking, like we said. More than anything, for us, it is to get you to look at top line decision making. I think it's better for you and your career as you look, you dig as deep as you can into this information and the ability to analyze it and see what it means. So I look forward to reviewing all your assignments and seeing what you came up with.